bless you all. Today I'm feeling nice. I hope all is well with you all. Top of the morning, good day and or good evening to you all. Today I'm feeling nice. I'm going to spice it up in the kitchen a little bit. Some carrot juice, also known in some countries or islands as carrot punch. Here you will see I have about 2 pounds of organic carrots that I have scraped, cleansed, and washed. Cut off both ends of the carrots, and I will then dice them in fine pieces and put them inside my food processor. After I have pulsed it in the food processor, I enter it into the blender. Here I will add approximately 4 to 6 cups of water. Following that, I will utilize my nut bag to strain out the pulp from the carrot. Some of the ingredients include vanilla extract. In addition, I will add sweetened condensed milk and nutmeg. After blending, I will follow up with storing this into a glass jar. And follow that up with a pinch of nutmeg. And voila, here you go. All right, my peoples, please remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And click on that ting-a-ling-a-ling school bell ring. Ciao.